মাজুলী জিলা বন বিভাগে আপোনালোকক এটা সতৰ্কবাণী দিব বিচাৰিছোঁ। কাজিৰঙাৰ পৰা ওলাই অহা এটা প্ৰকাণ্ড গড়ে আজি নিচেই পুৱাতে আপোনালোকৰ এলেকাতে বিচৰণ কৰি আছে। অলপ আগলৈকে বিচৰণ কৰি থকা আমাৰ দৃষ্টিগোচৰ হৈছে। গতিকে গড়টো যেনি আহিছিল সেই পথে খেদাৰ বাবে আমি চেষ্টা কৰিম। এই 4 বজাৰ ভিতৰতে আপোনালোকৰ গৰু ছাগলীসমূহ ঘৰলৈ আনক আৰু আপোনালোকৰ ঘৰত নিজৰ ঘৰতে আবদ্ধ থাকক আৰু গড়টোৰ গতিপথে যাতে আপোনালোকে বাধা নিদিয়ে বা আপোনালোকৰ যাতে অঘটন নহয় তাৰ বাবে বাৰে বাৰে আমি মাজুলী জিলা বন বিভাগে সকলোৰে দিছোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
I know in mainland for several days.
Yes.
So, what steps you have taken and where is the present location?
Okay. Actually, Majuli Island, as you all know, that Majuli Island, Majuli district as a whole is located very near to Kaziranga National Park. So often rhinos from Kaziranga National Park used to stray out to the Sapori areas under Majuli division. So likewise, last day before yesterday, one adult rhino crossed over from Sapori area to the mainland by crossing the embankment. So we have located the rhino, and for the past 2 days, we are carrying out our operation to drive out the rhino to Sapori areas.
And simultaneously, the people you have announced for safety reasons.
Yes, actually, first of all, we used to confirm. We used to identify the exact location of the rhinos during the morning hours. Then we don't carry out our operation of driving out the rhinos during the daytime. As evening approaches, so after 4:30 or 5 p.m., we used to carry out the driving out operation. And before carrying out the operation, we used to inform the local public by through public addressing system like miking and all.
And so, what is your view on many times there wild elephants, tigers, bears are coming to Majuli from Kaziranga?
Actually, the habitat of Majuli, the Sapori areas, particularly Sapori areas, they are like the habitat of Kaziranga National Park only. So there is no difference in the habitat in Kaziranga National Park. There are abundant of grasses here. So elephants, they used to one of our Sapori areas, which is situated under Zengaibong lands. It is like a corridor only for the elephants. And nowadays, we have seen for the past 4 to 5 years, around 4 to 5 rhinos used to stay in different Sapori areas under Majuli division throughout the year. So it's not a big issue. It's like a normal thing for us.
So your name and designation?
My name is Obisitole, Range Officer. I'm the Range Officer of Gormo Range under Majuli division.